Hello, everybody. We are going to do a short meditation to face ourselves, to give ourselves love, compassion that we desperately been wanting as we got older. So I want you to relax, take a moment, get in a comfortable position, either lying down or just sitting comfortably. I want you to close your eyes, take a deep breath, and exhale. Again, take a deep breath, and exhale. One more time. And exhale. As you are lying there with your eyes closed, I want you to just imagine walking in a field full of flowers, could just be grass, at the sun coming out, whichever you prefer. I just want you to imagine walking in a field, just kind of walking around, staring at everything, whatever you can imagine and see. And as you're looking around, you see yourself staring back at you. And you walk up to each other. That person that you are seeing has full of emotions, full of rage, anger. And you, the person that is looking at yourself with all of this, you come to it with compassion, understanding. You tell yourself, looking at yourself in the eye, I am here. You are safe. I am not going anywhere. And that person you see in front of you, that person is you, looks at you and isn't sure if they can trust you, but you keep going, telling yourself again, I am here. I love you. I am not going anywhere. You are safe. And you say that over and over again until that version of you that's been hurt finally opens up, cries, and gives you a warm hug. And you give yourself that hug, letting yourself feel everything. Telling yourself it's okay. It is okay. I am here. I love you. Just take a moment to feel that. Knowing that you showed up for yourself to give you everything that you've ever needed and wanted. Because you gave that to yourself first. As you lay there or sit there, you tell yourself again, I love you, and you walk away. You take a deep breath, breathe out, another deep breath, now give yourself a moment to come back with your eyes open whenever you're ready. Just take a moment and see how you feel from that. How did it make you feel? Did it make you feel safe? Did it make you feel relief? I want you to come back to this video as yourself more of that. I hope you have a good day, and I hope this video helped you. I love you, and we'll talk again soon.